Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex tools into simple steps. Today, we're tackling how to raise a defect in Jira 2025. If you're in software development, Jira is your best friend for tracking bugs and issues efficiently. Raising a defect helps teams fix problems fast, keeping projects on track. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. If you don't have one, sign up through your organization's portal. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the project where the defect occurred. Jira's dashboard is user-friendly, so look for the project sidebar or search bar to find it quickly. Next, click on the Create button, usually found at the top of the page. This opens a form where you'll select the issue type. For defects, choose Bug or Defect from the drop-down menu. Jira might have updated options in 2025, so double-check for any new features. Now, fill in the details. Start with a clear, concise summary, like Login button fails on mobile. Then, in the description field, provide all the juicy details. What happened, steps to reproduce, and any error messages. Don't forget to attach screenshots or files to make it easier for your team. Assign the defect to the right person or team, set a priority level, high, medium, or low, and add labels if needed. This ensures everyone knows how urgent it is. Finally, hit Create to submit your defect. Jira will generate a ticket number for tracking. A few quick tips. Always be as detailed as possible to avoid back and forth, and follow your team's guidelines for consistency. In 2025, Jira might have AI-assisted features, so keep an eye out for those to streamline the process. There you have it. Raising a defect in Jira is that simple. If you're new to this, practice in a test environment first. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.